Hello, welcome back to my review screen. Okay guys, in this video I want to show you guys how to remove your braids, Beatrice, how to lose your braids. So I made this hair is about a month and 2 weeks or so, if I'm not mistaken. And also my husband is also helping me to lose this hair. So guys, I'm going to show you what to use and how to cut the braids before losing your braids. Beatrice!
Yeah, mommy.
Mommy is talking. So guys, let's start. Here is my scissors and pin that I'm going to be using. We have 2 pins. Yeah. Brush is already with his own. So here I have brush. There is something I'm going to do with this brush. If it doesn't work, then we'll do the normal system. So guys, here I'm going to like so So I'm going to cut this hair, and as you can see, I'm checking where my hair, the length of my hair stopped. So that's where I'm going to like give a little space. My hair is not that long. As in, my hair is not long. Beatrice. So here. So when you are losing your hair, like your braids like this, you should look where your hair ends before cutting. If you want to cut it short, you should look at the length of your hair so that you don't trim your hair when you are cutting the hair. Yeah. So my hair is not long. Beatrice? I saw you want the remote.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't want you to come and spoil things for me. I don't want you to spoil my remote. Don't worry, I'm going to buy your own remote for you, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So join mommy and lose her hair.
I'm not supposed to be gossiping.
You have gossip to gossip.
Oh, I'm supposed to just keep it like this.
If you have any gossip, bring it up.
Because I remember that whenever they are looking at this gossip.
Seriously?
How did I hate it? After they couldn't be said, they couldn't miss it. You get the gossip finish.
Salon.
Yeah.
Here is not salon.
No, they mean.
But you know you're my gossip partner, so you can. Yes. So I thought you were going to bring one gossip.
Beatrice, you become the topic of gossip very soon.
Oh goodness. Oh my god.
Oh,
Careful.
don't laughing.
I should stop laughing.
Don't laughing.
But why?
Don't laughing.
Okay, I won't laugh again, okay?
This one.
I should cut our nose now.
I feel like your gap is too...
What's our wait, you know? That wasn't the water. Take. I wanna get it.
Look, that's all. Halloween. Halloween. Halloween.
Okay, I'm checking on this pattern. Right?
This is my issue.
Halloween.
Halloween.
Mommy, stop disturbing now. What is it?
Halloween, I hate it.
Halloween is too far away.
Halloween.
That's Beatrice, huh?
Oh, wait.
Daddy. Daddy.
Beatrice.
Halloween. Halloween, go daddy.
Yeah.
Ah. I wait to you. I wait to you. I wait to you. Daddy, Daddy, it's what?
Yeah.
So we are done losing my hair, and this is it. So this is my hair, my natural hair, and as you can see, I haven't combed this hair. Here's my comb. But before I'm going to comb this hair, there's something I'm going to do to my hair, to my natural hair. I'm going to first of all apply my Cantu leave-in conditioner to my hair, and plus my water mixed with hair oil. So guys, the reason why I applied my Cantu oil with my hair oil mixed with water is to help me to be able to comb this hair by moisturizing the hair to make it soft. So that's why I'm applying this, and as you can see, I'm able to comb the hair. You can see the way I'm combing it. The hair is now very soft and easy for me to pull the comb and comb it very well. So when you wash this hair now, the combing it won't be hard anymore, or it's going to be like tangle free.